finally back and we are back!
Yes, sir!
Hi! Welcome back, buddy!
Welcome back.
Ayoko namang patumpik-tumpik pa. Gusto ko na ipakilala yung pinaka-paborito kong guest for today.
Reveal.
Sino kaya yun? Reveal naman dyan. Reveal. At syempre, si Michael Sager!
Mali. Hi guys! What's up, Triggered? I am back. Grabe. It's been a long time, no?
Oh, last ka na dito, para di pa kayo housemates, bro.
Oo. Nalala niyo pa yun?
Mga
Nasa ano tayo nun eh? Nasa Soul Restaurant. Oh, di ba?
Odd Soul.
Yeah.
Wala ako nung tinape nyo yung episode.
Guys, ang saya nun, di ba? Yung nag-taping tayo. Napakasaya.
Talaga ba, Michael?
Pero yun na nga. Ito,
Yan na nga.
kasama na sa segment natin ngayon, What Triggered You Today?
Ooh.
So yun yung tanong namin sa'yo. So far,
What
maaga-aga pa,
triggered me
pero
today?
meron na ba?
Oo.
Siguro this morning, I woke up at 5 a.m. kasi alam ko mag-guess ako sa Triggered. Kaya parang, oh my God, I have to wake up. I'm excited eh.
Gabi.
Kaya
Inunahan mo yung alarm mo?
Oo bro, inunahan ko talaga. Pero, sige, realistically, what triggered me so far is being with you guys again. Kasi ang tagal natin hindi nagkakasama.
Na-trigger
Honestly,
ka doon?
Ano yung na-trigger sa'yo? Na-trigger ba yung
Na-trigger yung-
anger, yung happiness?
Yung anger eh, kasi si Thea kasama
Talaga
ko.
ba? Talaga ba?
Ito
Ay, sagot din ako, wait.
Yung longing. Yun yung na-trigger sa akin. The
Okay.
longing to feel the nostalgic that we once shared when we were Sparkado. Tapos!
Ay, naku, di pa din nagbago. Bolero pa din.
Ayup!
Ay.
Oh, what triggered you, Thea?
What triggered me today is ang aga-aga, ang lakas ng boses ni Michael kanina talaga.
Oh, sa may makeup area.
Pagdating niya, ang lakas ng boses niya, ang
Of
lakas
course.
niya tumawa. Tapos parang, Michael, wait lang. Kasi
So, na-trigger yung inis.
Hindi pa, yun talaga. Kasi hindi pa gising yung diwa ko.
Well, kinigising na kita, Thea! Woo!
Grabe!
Medyo na-trigger ako doon. Ang
Ingay!
Ang ingay.
Podcast
Okay.
to So sana pleasing to the ears yung
Oo.
naririnig. Kasi halimbawa, may mga nagda-drive ngayon,
Oo.
pinapakinggan nila tayo.
Yung audio man
Medyo-
natin na-trigger.
Pasensya na po Pasensya na po kay Michael Seeger. Ganito
Sorry
po
na,
kasi
guys.
talaga siya
Oo.
yun na nga.
Ikaw,
So,
Vince.
Ako siguro yung pila sa drive-thru kanina na pupunta ako.
Okay.
Nag-drive-thru
ka.
ka kanina.
Drive-thru ako. Kape
Tagal.
muna ako. Medyo matagal. Pero alam mo yun, patience is a virtue.
Yes!
Wow.
So-
Nagbago ka na talaga.
Oh,
Grabe yung mga quotable quotes ka na talaga ngayon.
Grabe kayo.
Dami na kino-quote sa
Galing
akin
ano ba
kahit
yan?
mga kalokohan ko.
Galing ba yan sa How to Win Friends and Influence?
Hindi po.
Nakabasa ko ng libro yan guys sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Pero yun na nga, yun yung nag-trigger sa akin. Kaya ikaw, ano?
Nag-trigger sa akin, kanina nag-shower ako. Alam niyo yung, di ba, sinet ko na sa mainit. Tapos pag-on ko, di ko alam na nakatutok sa akin. Malamig pa yan nung unang bugay.
Morning.
Bro, talon ako. Kami kong ganun. Ayun, yun yung na-trigger sa akin. Na-trigger yung gising ko.
Shucks.
Pero
Oo.
syempre yun, moving forward,
Oo.
si Michael na manifest
Ganda ng
niya.
transition mo, pre.
Swabing-swabe yun, ha?
Si Michael kasi, na-manifest niya yung pagpasok niya sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Yes.
And, meron siyang pinost sa Twitter noong 2020. Ayan yung nakasulat dyan. Pwede mong
Sige.
basahin, Sean. Go,
Hindi, dapat si
basahin mo.
Michael yung
Okay,
magbasa.
sige, si Michael, go, basahin mo.
Envision that you
Oo.
were your
This is your
20
2020 self.
Yes.
Oo.
Sino ba si Michael Seeger?
Naalala ko pa yung
Internalize mo
tinatype
muna.
niya
Oo.
sa cellphone
Yeah, type mo,
mo,
tapos
ganyan.
nag-i-intro ka.
yung time na.
Hi guys, I'm Michael Seeger from
Yes.
Canada.
I'm a dancer.
I'm a dancer. I once
I'm a
appeared in a
singer.
Disney series called The Descendants.
Nakakagigil.
Hi, I'm Michael Sager, 17 years old from Vancouver, Canada.
Okay,
Anyways, back in 2020, December 1 at 5:08 p.m., I tweeted, "Dear Kuya, I would love to be a part of your bahay because I want to share my story to the Philippines and the world, what it's like growing up in a different country and growing up away from your family. Thank you, Kuya, for this opportunity and see you soon. Hashtag PBB Connect Housemates."
Wow!
PBB Connect.
Ano
That
to?
was
Pinost mo to
back
sa
in 2020.
Canada or dito ka sa Pilipinas?
Pinost ko yan sa Canada, bro, at 3 a.m. Alam kong gabi pa yan kasi yan yung peak hours dito sa Pilipinas. So,
Ito ba yung nag-stream?
doon ako nagla-live before. As in, yung live streams namin for Kuya, may challenges siya noon. Mga 2 a.m. magsa-start tapos 5 a.m. Then papasok ako 8 a.m.
So, technically, second go-around mo na to sa pagiging...
It's actually my third. So, itong pagpasok ko sa Pinoy Big Brother Collab Edition, it was my third time auditioning kasi the second time was for the PBB Teens Community. So after Connect, meron pang isang season na dapat dun sana, and then things changed, and then I auditioned again hoping that I would make it this time, pero wala, hindi umasa, but luckily binigyan ako ng opportunity and naging full circle moment for me.
Wow,
Gaano ka deep ka na into the process ng mga una mong attempt, pare?
I don't know if we could disclose it, but siguro sabihin na lang natin na munti ka na talaga. It
Munti
was
ka
to the
na.
point na iniyakan ko yun ng todo. And doon ako naniwala na when you leave everything to God and you wait for His timing, everything will happen for a reason. Because there was a time na yung first itong PBB Connect, ano kasi yun campaigning. So you have to be top 3 in order to enter. And then when I was evicted pa nun sa live streaming at top 15, talagang naiyak ako sa live kasi for some reason I'd never expected in my life. Actually, auditioning for Pinoy Big Brother was never my dream. It was just my dad telling me na, "Uy, Toy, may audition sa PBB." Nag-audition siya nung bata siya. Try mo lang. And then, at the time, wala akong magawa. So, nag-audition ako. But as I went on with the process, dun ko na-realize na, oh my God, gusto ko pala ito gawin. And nung nandun na ako, nung munti ka na makapasok, alam mo yung parang, you felt like you were gonna make it na, yet biglang binawi. Doon ako talagang na heartbreak. That was one of my biggest heartbreaks in my life. Kasi it was a dream. Doon ko naramdaman na I really wanted something. And siguro being that far in, being that dedicated. Kasi nga, I never slept na at the time and I had school pa afterwards. I was like, shucks, sayang yung nangyari. Lord, bakit? Why? But then after nun, I calmed down. Before I went to school, I drove by our church in Canada and I just prayed na if this is for me, just guide me, and if this is a journey that I should be taking, just be there with me. Yun lang ang sinabi ko, and until now, hindi ko pinapabayaan ni God, and until na nasa bahay ako ni Kuya, na nasa loob na ako, nagpasalamat ako kasi grabe yung pinagdaanan kong almost 3 years of wanting to go inside the house and eventually making it inside.